Good day, boys and girls. My Oompa Loompa friends and I would like to welcome you to a video of your assembly at your school, Royalview. It is a great honor in having you reading the story, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I hope you enjoy watching the video and say thank you to all of the people who worked hard putting this assembly together. Please remember, reading is important. This is how you upload knowledge to your brain. Thank you.
Good morning, boys and girls. I am Mr. Willy Wonka, and welcome to my chocolate factory, the greatest chocolate factory in the world. You may have heard of some of my delicious creations, but my most famous invention is my chocolate Wonka bar. I had this amazing idea to do something that no one other chocolatier had ever done before. I hid 5 golden tickets beneath the wrappers of my world-famous Wonka bars. Each golden ticket is an invitation to come and visit my beautiful chocolate factory. And they will be given chocolate and candies for the rest of their life. Are you ready to meet my 5 lucky winners? Yeah! Are you ready to meet my 5 lucky winners? Yeah! My first lucky winner is Augustus Gloop. Give her an applause. Augustus, tell us where you're from.
Düsseldorf, Germany. Guten Tag. Gesundheit.
Augustus, how did you find your golden ticket?
What, this thing? Well, I was bound to find the ticket with all the Wonka-bars I
Do you have any special hobbies, Augustus?
eat. Well, eating, of course. Wow, is that a chocolate river and waterfall?
Yes, Augustus. Augustus, please look with your eyes and not with your hands. Augustus. Augustus. Augustus.
Thanks, Dad. Auf Wiedersehen.
Okay, boys and girls, let's move on to our second lucky winner, Miss Veruca Saltz. A round of applause, please. Well, welcome, Veruca, and it's all right because we're going to be touring the factory together. Please tell us how you were fortunate enough to discover your golden ticket.
That's easy. I just said, Mom, Dad, get me that golden ticket right now, and voila.
Wow! I think she'll be enjoying my nut room.
Nut room? I want a nut room. I don't care, girl. I want it right now.
Thank you very much, Veruca. We'll be serving you peanuts and almonds and pecans later. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to our third lucky winner, Miss Violet Beauregard. Well, of course, but you must keep it secret, okay? What is your life's ambition, Violet?
I'm trying to break the world record for chewing gum, but this visit's kind of interfering with that.
Well, thanks for penciling us in, Violet. We appreciate it. right, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet our fourth golden ticket winner, Mike TV. A round of applause, please. Good morning, Mike. How are you, Mike? How did you find your golden ticket, Mike? Are you excited to be here, Mike? I've been getting into some new gaming technology, Mike. Sorry about that, Mike. Last but not least, boys and girls, may I introduce my final golden ticket winner and my personal favorite, Charlie Bucket! Welcome to my chocolate factory, Charlie.
Wow! Mr. Wonka, thank you for inviting me here. It's an honor to meet you, sir. This place is even better than what I dreamed of. Wow!
Glad you're here, Charlie, and everyone. So, now boys and girls, who wants to find out what happens to Augustus Gloop? Can he ever eat all of the chocolate in my entire factory? Well, who wants to find out what happens to that spoiled brat, Lucy? Will she ever enter the new house? Or who wants to find out if Violet will ever spit out that gum? Or please, Violet dressed like a blueberry. Who wants to find out more about Mike TV? And he will ever take his eyes off that TV? Last but not least, who wants to find out what happens to Charlie in the chocolate factory? Well, boys and girls, I have some great news. But all of you are going to be able to find out what happens to all of them. But first, I must introduce to you, all the way from Loompa Land, my hard-working Oompa Loompas! Now, for my big surprise, I have Royal Wonka bars for all of you. And we included golden tickets inside the wrappers. So if you find a golden ticket, please come over to the stage and hold it up for everyone to see. And you will win a Wonka winner bag. Okay. Congratulations to our golden ticket winners. You may please rejoin your classes. Please carefully log down the steps.
I've got a perfect puzzle for you. Oompa, loompa, doompa-dee-dee. If you are wise, you'll listen to me.